The defense team mocked the government's prosecution against Sean Combs and belittled the agents who seized hundreds of bottles of Astroglide and baby oil, saying, "Way to go, fellas," and called the government's star witness, Cassie Ventura, a gangster who came out better off than before meeting the music mogul, after winning a $20 million rape settlement they contend never happened. Attorney Mark Agnifilo telling the jury, if you had to pick a winner in this whole thing, it's hard not to pick Cassie. He said the Intercontinental video, though, was terrible and unforgivable. But it was Combs coming off a bad drug trip during a freak-off and was trying to retrieve his phone. Agnifilo complimented the women, saying they're beautiful and sexy, who were swingers with Combs, but that Jane was never one to clutch her pearls, downplaying the sex trafficking allegations they testified to in the trial, saying, "I don't know what Jane is doing today, but she's doing it in a house he's paying for." At least one juror was nodding along and smiling as Attorney Agnifilo railed against the notion of a conspiracy to commit racketeering. Agnifilo told the panel all Diddy did his entire life was help people all over the world. He didn't assemble a team of goons to carry out crimes, quipping, "Where's the crime scene? It's your sex life." In her rebuttal, the government's lead attorney said the defense theories don't even pass the laugh test, that they tried to blame the government and Diddy's victims to explain away the devastating evidence. Evidence, they say, points directly to sex trafficking, telling the jury freak-offs were not homemade pornography. Instead, we're talking about being awake in a hotel room for days, having your pelvic area sold in the same position for hours with stranger after stranger. And that the escorts weren't called in for their scintillating conversation, but so they would work for a masked, masturbating celebrity. And hit back against any notion Combs was targeted by the feds, saying the racketeering conspiracy was obviously because Combs couldn't do anything himself, and that Diddy is a hands and fists guy with his girlfriends, but gets guns when he's dealing with Ben.